Hey guys, Ben from Integrity. Just a quick video to show you how to operate your rear electronic automatic sliding door. When you're bringing this open, you just want to pull it out just a bit and the automatic function will grab hold and pull it the rest of the way. And of course it does it. There we go. And then when you go to close it, you just want to slide it a little bit of the way and it will then grab hold and pull it the rest of the way. To bring the chair out of the vehicle, you have a really simple function, just two buttons up and down. Just make sure you're pressing and holding the down button at all times. You also want to make sure when you're ejecting the seat, you're on a level floor that is level with the wheels of the actual vehicle itself, and the system will do the rest. Once you hear the two beeps, the chair is all ready to go and you can push it away from the vehicle. When you want to stow this platform away, make sure the chair is away from the vehicle, not sitting just here, as the platform may pick up that the chair is still there and it may send an error signal. So once you've got the chair out of the way, all you have to do now is press the up button until you get the double beeps with the platform inside the vehicle and you're all good to go.